faint sound of an alarm ringing wakes you up. You drowsily snooze the alarm and sleep on. An hour and a half later, you wake up and you gawk as you see that you're already an hour late for your business presentation. Now what, do you think? And that's why I introduced you PuzzBuzz. PuzzBuzz is a 21st century alarm clock that works to make sure you're awake in the morning and you're ready to do what you need to do. How does this do this? PuzzBuzz has a library of over 3,000 different puzzles, and it chooses randomly every morning for you to solve. And only when you solve those puzzles will it let you snooze the alarm. And the longer you overweight or the longer you sleep, the louder and the more annoying the sound will get. As if the sound isn't enough, we added 2 extra features. 1, it starts vibrating on your bedstand, so it creates excess noise that you won't like. Also, it has LEDs that'll catch your attention, and you definitely won't lose this device. And there are other companies out there like this. And what makes us different is that our puzzles aren't so simple that you have to put a circle peg in a circle hole. And they're not so hard that you need a calculator, a pen, and a pencil. They're simple enough that all you have to do is just solve it and you're up on your feet already. And some of you might be asking, can't your phone do this? Like an iPhone or an Android? Well, first of all, you could simply turn off your iPhone or Android by clicking the top button and sliding. So, your iPhone won't be much of use. And for one of the smart ones in this room, you might think I could just pull out the batteries. Well, think again. PuzzBuzz has built-in batteries that are rechargeable. So when you plug them to the wall, they charge. And when you put them on your bedstand table, they last for a while. So now, let's talk about the pricing. The actual product itself costs $20, where it costs us $10 to manufacture. And if you want any other designs, colors, or engravings in it, they'll cost an extra $2. I'm sure that if you invest in this company, you'll see it grow in the next few years. Thank you.
Now it's 2 minutes, 8 seconds. You need to answer questions.
Oh, yep.
That means you're not awake yourself. Okay, questions for PuzzBuzz.
How would the LED lights on your alarm clock benefit us if I could easily put a pillow on my head to avoid the lights?
Okay, so first, of course, there's the noise that also works. But in the morning, if the lights are turned off, if you suddenly turn on the light, that's sort of annoying to you. So what I thought is that if you have the LEDs in there, it'll be catchy, and it'll start annoying you in the morning. Like, for example, you wake up and someone just turns on the light, it sort of affects you because it's dark and then it's suddenly really bright.
Okay, anyone else? Jen?
Why would someone want to buy something that kind of annoys you when you're waking up in the morning?
Well, that's the whole point, because we want it to annoy you so you could get up. We don't want it to be very soothing so that you can continue to sleep.
Okay, anyone else?
How break-proof that is, because if it's so annoying, I'm going to throw it down first thing.
Well, if you had enough energy to throw it down on the floor, you're probably already awake.
Help me only one day, next day.
Well, first of all, it's $20. I'm pretty sure no one here wants to waste $20 by throwing the device on the floor. So yeah.
Okay, can't do this. Okay.
How about summer?
What do you mean?
Like if it's in summer, it's bright enough. Like do you need LED light to be more bright enough?
Well,
Like, your mother can.
personally, me, when I sleep, I usually close the blinds so that it's sort of dark inside. But in the summer, if the LED doesn't work, there's also the vibrating and the sound.
All right, good.